this video, I'm going to give you the best advice you've ever heard about 3D printing with your Monoprice Mini SLA resin printer. First off, if you are ever going to do a screen test, go to Control, go to Clear, make sure you don't have your build plate, make sure you don't have your vat with resin on it, because that would be really bad. And then you can check your screen. If you see that all the lights light up beautifully and it's quite stable, you know that your screen is working. And then you should also perform the second test to make sure that the light is being blocked properly. And there we go. It's doing a great job. Alright, so what are the other big problems that noobs run into? Alright, so let's go through some of them. Number one, never remove your vat when your build plate is dirty and there's still resin that could drop onto your screen. Never ever do that. Number two, if you're going to clean this out, do not listen to their advice about using a spatula, even if it's plastic. The plastic will scratch your vat, and your vat will lose its properties. Once you have scratches on it, things will stick to it worse, and that will be a really troublesome thing for you. So instead, if anything ever sticks to your build plate, take it out, remove all the resin, wash it out with soap. You could even use alcohol to help out. And also make sure that if you wash this, that you wash the bottom as well. Make sure no resin at all ever stays on the bottom of your vat, because once you have extra resin on there or resin on your print screen, it creates extra thickness, and then when the build plate goes down to do the printing, it has extra thickness to push on, which kills your pixels on your screen. Okay, watch out for that. Noobs will destroy their screens very quickly by doing all sorts of things that the instruction manual does not talk about. So, lots of bad things come with this printer, as in, you know, the wireless doesn't work, the instructions are useless. Much better to go onto the Facebook group. They have a very, very good Facebook group, and a lot of my videos are on there as well that will help you make smoother prints. Also, another thing that nobody talks about is make sure to print in a dark room, such as your garage, okay, or the laundry room, or even a closet if that's where you need to, because that allows you to save more of your resin, right? You will waste less resin if you can keep the resin in your vat longer without having to, you know, remove it and then clean it out, or shake it and then put it back in, so on and so forth. And that's because the more light there is in the room, the more chances of it getting into the machine and curing the resin, or making the water contents inside your resin evaporate, and therefore you will waste less resin. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this advice helps you to make amazing prints, and I will see you in the next video.